Hi, my name is Aviana, and this is the Sundream Succulent Takeover. Today I am in my aunt's beautiful succulent shop with all these succulents. Succulents, cactuses, and pots. I bought this Topsy Turvy echeveria because I just really liked the shape of it and how it looked. It's pretty nice. And well, that's really why I bought it. And today I will be potting this Topsy Turvy echeveria into this beautiful talavera pot. We are now in the potting station. I'm gonna put cactus soil into this talavera pot. And right now I'm gonna plant this echeveria. I'm picking the dry leaves off the echeveria. Now I'm gonna put it into the pot. Now I'm gonna fill in the pot with soil. That's it. I think I'm gonna add some rock. I like it with the one I have. That's nice. I also got this beautiful talavera tile to place my succulent. Right now I forgot one thing. I forgot to push the rock and soil down, which I'm correcting right now. Oops, I am very happy and I love the way my echeveria came out, and I can't wait to take it back home to Texas with me. Thanks for watching my Sundream Succulent Takeover. See you next time.